Welcome to this video about how to be productive when you work from home. Yay! So this video is going to go over 4 of the most important work from home tips that have helped me. They are totally reasonable and none of them involve time wasting tips like get dressed for work as if you were going anyways. I don't see how that really helps a lot of people. It wouldn't help me because I love not having to get dressed. That's amazing. So I have been working from home almost entirely for 4 years now, and I have also worked on 2 business degrees entirely remotely at my own pace, and I love working from home. It's absolutely my preferred way to work. There's no coworker distractions, you can work at your own pace. I actually made a list, I love it so much. I love the freedom, the flexibility in case family shows up and you need to rearrange things or you need a mental health day, which happens to me about once a month. It's really just the future. And the future came really fast. It really did. This pandemic has forced a lot of companies who were not set up to work remotely to scramble right now and figure out how to do it. So as such, they don't have any sort of packet or guidelines or protocol to ensure that you're just as productive as usual. Hey.
Sorry.
Spray those packages down. So here are these tips. Tip number 1, this is the biggest, most important tip I could possibly give. It's to try out different schedules and just be patient with yourself while you try to find ones that work best for you. Don't just give up and pretend to work. You could be more productive than ever. It just takes time to find your jam. So give yourself the space and patience to do that. Tip number 2 on how I stay super productive is I have every single task and project inside of free project management software. I use Asana. I'm not an affiliate for them. I just love them. It's a lot better than a notebook or just a slurry of emails. It's a place where you can add attachments and comments and keep everything all in one place. I actually made a video about how to work from there, and it's in a link in the description, or it'll be after this video. Tip number 3, that's 2. Tip number 3 is I try to schedule in breaks. I try to stand up at least every hour because I do find it really easy to get stuck in a work hole when you work from home. Sometimes my legs will fall asleep because my laptop has been sitting on them for so long. Tip number 4, plenty of work that we do involves things that we don't want to do. And when you work from home, it is ever so easy to put these dreaded tasks off. So the way that I still try to get this stuff done is I set a timer and try to knock it out in minutes. So for example, there's something I've been avoiding all week. I'll just be like, 23 is a lucky number for me. I'll put a timer on for 23 minutes and I'll be like, get it done in this time frame, and if you don't get it done, fine, just work for 23 minutes on it and you can come back to it later. 11 is also a lucky number for me, so if I really don't want to do something, I'll be like, just give yourself 11 minutes doing it, and it's every single time a lot easier just to be like, all right, I don't want to do this, but you can do it for 11 minutes. So that is super helpful with tasks that we don't want to do instead of just putting it off because we work at home. Okay, so that is all of the most important real life work from home tips that I can think of. And just be sure to be really grateful to even have the chance to work from home. Our grandparents and parents would have killed for this option, some of them, maybe some of them not. But just remember to give yourself time and space to find your jam, and you will get it, and you may just prefer to work from home. All right, stay safe, please. Have a great day.